Welcome to the continuation of demonstrating the new Chaos AI Assistant offering. In today's demonstration, we'll be analyzing security data such as CloudTrail and log process data, but do it with chain of thought prompting. The idea behind chain of thought is one can derive richer and more complex analysis of data, exploring data, and asking questions. And finally, with the ChaosSearch solution, one simply streams real-time data into their data lake via S3 from Amazon or GCS from Google, where the ChaosSearch solution automatically discovers and indexes the data. So without further ado, let's jump on in. We've already set up the service that is streaming data into cloud object storage such as S3 and publish views. So I'm going to start a security conversation on views that I've streamed into my data lake. As I start this conversation, the AI assistant prompts with a description of these two views, their attributes and types. I suggest that I'm a security analyst and that I like to understand vulnerability type questions on data such as CloudTrail. I then ask to put this analysis into categories. As you see here, there are 6 categories of vulnerabilities one would search within CloudTrail data. And so through chain of thought prompting, I asked to write a SQL query that is asking the above vulnerability questions and do it over the last 5 years, leveraging the CloudTrail view. As you see here, the first one was authentication access, and I asked it to execute this particular query. And you see here there are several console logins for such access over this time period with IPs. Then I ask to run the next query of data integrity, but good news, there were no problems with that data. And then I ask network security questions, the idea of what type of events have been happening over that time frame. And you see here there are several events that occurred. The next one is on infrastructure and configuration. And again, I ask to run the SQL query. And again, you see several events that have been executed over this time frame. And finally, number 5, compliance and audit. Running a SQL query that again looks at the type of events that occurred over that time frame. I then say, since I'm a security analyst, what are the top, let's say, 50 cyber attack Linux commands one would look for in process log type data? I also ask it to put it into categories. And it provides a variety of commands, 6 categories, where I'll use chain of thought to analyze and look for these particular commands. So I ask, please write me a search query that looks for option 6, backdoor and malware activities. Now, search will use our high-level tooling leveraging Open Dashboard. I ask it to do it over the year time frame via the process log view. And as you can see here, it's created Elasticsearch query that I ask it to run. It brings up the Search Analytics tab, Open Dashboards, where you can see here I found 565 commands Now, a lot of these are IP table runs, but you can see here quickly and easily I can do this analysis. So with Chain of Thought and the AI Chaos Assistant, I've quickly and easily identified vulnerabilities of my environment as well as queries I should run to do its analysis. So I want to thank you for the time and check out chaossearch.io.